$24,000 that I sent to a contractor led to a $90,000 mistake. I was missing clarity. But you don't need extra hustle. Click the link below and let's start building. Hey, let me show you something. You see this? This is $24,000 that I sent to a contractor. And that one payment led to a $90,000 mistake. Man, but I'm going to show you how you can avoid that mistake so this never happens to you. What if you could get your first cash flowing rental in the next 6 to 12 months without quitting your job or risking your life savings? I'm Jordan of the BRRRRR. Stay with me for the next couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you the system that helped me do it as a full-time dad and as a full-time teacher. Okay, so you've probably spent months learning. You've been watching the videos on YouTube University. You've been scrolling through Instagram, saving the posts and the reels. You've listened to podcasts, and you've analyzed some deals. But yet, you still don't have your first rental. Man, trust me, I was right where you are. Not because you lack discipline or you lack motivation, but because, frankly, nobody's ever shown you a step-by-step process that fits your actual lifestyle. So here's the question that you need to ask yourself. If nothing changes, will the next 6 months look like the last 6 months? So I built my first rentals while being a full-time dad, coaching, reffing, teaching, raising kids, and grading papers after bedtime. So this blueprint was made for that person in mind. The busy professional, working parents, W-2 employees, the ones that have absolutely zero time to wait. Okay, so my story is just a little bit different. So I didn't have analysis paralysis. If anything, I probably moved too fast. And you might be like me. I spent about 4 or 5 months analyzing deals using the simple 1% rule or price to rent ratio and doing some back of the napkin math. I did that for a while, and then for the next couple of months, I spent just trying to get my money together, get all my ducks in a row. So in total, maybe I spent about 7 months. And guess what? I thought I'd got it. I thought I knew it all. So I didn't lack any confidence, but what I was missing was clarity. So here's the thing. That false confidence, that's what cost me $90,000 on our contractor mistake. I wasn't slow, I just was unstructured. I'm gonna be honest with you. Here's why I felt confident is because the internet makes it look so extremely easy to buy and own real estate. You see the Instagram posts, the Facebook feed, the TikToks, the before and after videos. You see people, these gurus with passive income, and you just see this extravagant lifestyle, and you start to think to yourself, I could do this too. They made it look easy. Why can't I do it? And so that's where that confidence comes from. So you might be like me. You have confidence, but you don't have a blueprint. So this isn't about your lack of motivation. It's about not having the structure. And without structure, then you start to make emotional decisions instead of informed decisions. And that's exactly why we built the Brrrrothas Blueprint. Because the big shift in becoming a real estate investor isn't learning more information. It's knowing what to actually do next and in what order. So the blueprint is a simple 5-step process designed to help busy beginners buy their first rental property safely, even with a full-time job, kids, and zero time to waste. Inside the blueprint, you'll learn how to analyze deals the right way, avoid those contractor traps that burned me, know how to rent to tenants with confidence and clarity, how to refinance with no surprises, and how to rinse and repeat this whole process again. You'll discover why beginners take 12 to 18 months just looking at the wrong properties. You'll get that contractor checklist that I wish I had to avoid losing a ton of money, and a quick 5-minute filter that will help you to eliminate 90% of those bad deals. So look, we've seen people go from confused to confident in just weeks. They're starting to analyze deals, talking to agents, getting pre-approved, and finally feeling like okay, I can actually do this. And the outcome isn't hype, it's clarity. So picture this for a moment. Imagine you sitting at the kitchen table. You open up your laptop after the kids fall asleep, and for the first time, you finally feel like you're no longer guessing. You actually know how to run the numbers. You actually know what properties fit in your buy box and in your criteria. And instead of feeling overwhelmed or stuck, you finally feel like you're moving towards reaching your goals, moving towards something that is real, that you are building for your family. And boom, that's what the blueprint does. It's not hype, it's not extra motivation, it's just a method, a blueprint to follow. So look, if you've tried going at this alone and nothing clicked, trust me, I get it. I've been there. But you don't need extra hustle. You don't need to quit your job, and you certainly don't need a huge pile of cash to get started. I didn't have any rich uncles. You just need a starting point and the right structure. So here's the next smartest move that you can make right now. Book a free clarity call. This isn't a sales pitch. It's just a real conversation where we can map out your goals and discuss what's missing in your approach so you stop wasting months guessing. And look, if you've made it this far to the end of the video, you are ready now. Okay, look, we only take a handful of people each month because they fill up fast. So the way that I see it is you've got one of two choices. You can either A, close this and continue down your current path, or B, take the next 30 seconds right now, click the link below, and let's start building your first door together.
These lookers like no one's above us. We see the goal.